everybody, how are you? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy. Just wanted to show you something a little quickly. I don't know how I was supposed to say that. Show you something quickly here. Let me get that out. Did you know that you can remove vinyl if you don't like what you have on your, or you've worn it enough, or blah blah blah? You can remove this vinyl from your shirts. You just heat your iron up. I have mine set medium high, and I'm using my small iron today. You can use any iron. Test your temperature and don't get it too hot. Place your material over the iron as such, and I stretch it around the iron. Don't burn yourself. And I'm going to do one at a time. So I was working on this K. Let it heat up a little bit, and I just use, maybe you can use, I tried the tweezers, but I'm just using this here blade, and just remove it a little bit so that you can get a hold of it, and then start to peel it. Stretch that material without burning yourself so that it can heat up. Don't have it too hot. And get your little edge that you can pick up with your finger or tweezers and begin to peel it off. Look at that. So I'll be able to repurpose this shirt with something else that I would like on it. So I stretch it so that the material is up against the iron. Iron is on medium, and just begin to peel at a corner, lifting some of the vinyl, because as it warms, it softens, and you can get it up. Lift it up, if I can get it going. Well, let's try this side. Let's try over here. Oh no, I don't want to be difficult. Maybe I need to turn my iron up a little bit. Hold on. Hold on. Y'all just saw me remove that one. Let me turn the iron up just a little bit. Not all the way. Maybe like yay. All right, let's put it back on here. Stretch it so that's flat up against the iron plate. Oh, it's smoking. It might be too hot now. I don't know. And just begin to remove. Look at that. Yeah, it's too hot. I gotta turn it back down. It's almost melting. It's too hot. But anywho, you get the idea. Let me turn that back down a little bit. Gotta be patient. That's what it is. I'm not being patient. Be careful, don't burn yourself. But look at that. Look at that. Let's get that T off. See? Now, let's do one of the bigger images. Let's do this star. Stretch it. Get a little piece removed so that you can grab it carefully and begin to peel. So I want to repurpose this shirt. I don't like this that's on here. It's advertising. And I don't wear it as such. I've worn it a couple times. But I want to put my own image on it. And this is polyester, so I think I want to sublimate onto this shirt. Okay, that R should be. And because this is white, it's kind of leaving a shadow. It's kind of leaving a shadow of these black letters. A light shadow. But I'm going to wash it before I put anything on here. See if I can get this R off. Okay, I got it started. Oop, 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 if I can grab a hold of it. Look at that. Peel it right on off. Ta-da! What else do I have on this shirt? Just this NFL. I don't want that either, because I'm going to change this whole shirt up. So let's stretch that out. And I use the mini iron because it's so much easier to hold like this. See if I can get a corner started. You don't want to cut your shirt either, so be careful with the blade. This one's a little harder, but I got it. Gotta let it warm up a little more in the middle. Just ignore that phone, I'm not going to get it. I'll check it in a minute. I get a lot of spam calls. So, I let it ring, I go back and check it. Okay, so this is a bigger one. I gotta get it warm in the middle so that it will lift off. So I'm just stretching it so that it's flat. Oh, yeah, don't do that. It's coming. Just got to be patient. Take your time. Let's get this other side. Got it. Voila. Hope I was in the camera. Take this iron out. Y'all see that? Removed all that vinyl. And there's the shirt. So I'll be washing it and placing another image on here. Probably sublimation. I'm not sure how much polyester. It doesn't say. But I know it's polyester. I have pre-pressed this. It's a little sticky where the vinyl was, and I can barely see what was on there. I got a couple stains on here. Don't pay those no attention. That was previous stains. So I'm going to cut the image, and I have these scissors that are scalloped, and hopefully it won't leave an impression, a straight edge impression in the material, in the fabric. And what I found out on Cricut, you can stretch this size. This is a 8.5 by 11 piece of sublimation paper. And you can stretch the image to, what did I stretch it to? 9.25 times 6.77. So to get the maximum amount from Cricut on an 8 by 11. All right, I'm going to place it over the top of this where I took that vinyl off. So it's going to be higher than 3 inches, or about, yeah, it's going to be higher than 3 inches, but I want to cover that up. Just eyeballing to center this. Put a couple pieces of tape on it. Two should be good. Let me get a piece of paper. What do you call it? Paper. Butcher paper. Of course I wasn't prepared, right? Place this butcher paper over here. I'm going to have to find something to cover this stains up. I don't know what. Maybe a little image. Okay. I'm going to give it 60 seconds at 400 degrees. And let's see what happens. A couple more seconds. And we'll have the review. Hopefully it won't stick. I'll see. It's a little sticky. Let's let that cool off just a little bit so we don't get any ghosting. A little sticky, just a little bit. Holding on to that image. So I'm just holding the material, the fabric down, and taking it off. Ha ha ha. Covered it up. Let me show you. Look at that. Do you see the image behind there? From the vinyl I took off? No. How cute, how cute, how cute. So, I'll be right back because I want to put something on the back. And I'm going to put a piece of Teflon inside so that the image does not transfer to the front. So let's get that in there. Then I'm going to flip it. Because for some reason I always press mine with the neckline towards me. Let's get that in there and get it flattened out. There's no need to pre-press because we put all that heat on here already. I just want to straighten that Teflon out in there. So I have a second image, and what did I do with it? I've already cut this image out, so I'm just going to eyeball it and center it. Something like that. A couple pieces of tape. Where'd it go? Oh. some butcher paper over the top, and I also put butcher paper underneath so that that image does not go through onto my material underneath. All right, let's give this one 60 seconds at 400 degrees, and I'll be back. See how this one turned out? Oh, let it cool for just a little bit. I don't want any ghosting. Ooh, vibrant, beautiful. And this material is 100% polyester. Now that is cute. But let's see how that image came out on that paper. And here we have it. This is the back. Alrighty, brand new year, same old me. I make goals every day. I don't have to do them for the new year. Tell me what you think. Hit that thumbs up. Appreciate you. Deuces. Peace and love. Toodles. I don't know what that stain was. It probably was drippings of coffee. But try to cover it with some diamonds that are up in the top here like this. So let's see if I got it covered. Ta-da! And I did. So I just threw some diamonds down here. This stain right here, I have no idea what it is, what it was, but I'm hoping to cover it. And I did. So this shirt is for me, so there's no worries. I think it actually turned out great. Got it all done. It turned out really cute. Let me step back so that you can see the whole thing. I had spots and things, you know, white. I don't do white well, so I cut out a little bit of the image and pasted it here and there. And this is the back. Can you see it? I don't know, because I'm turned backwards. But it turned out really, really, really cute. Really, really cute. I like it. Blessed 2025 to ya. Have a wonderful, wonderful day and a wonderful year. It's beautiful. Love ya.
Arts and cakes, creates and breaks and shifts, running great next day. Set a spark, now take her today. Ashley in the tree, darn love is on this way. And so, hey, I know what it is.